Hi guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to change resolution in iPhone camera. Let's begin. So yes, iPhone camera nowadays are like professional cameras. Like you could pretty much have a very good output. It's as if you have taken your photo by a professional photographer. So there are ways for you to actually play around with the resolution. I'm just gonna show you how it's done. But first, you could always visit support.apple.com, and there's like step by step here and how it's done. So take note, guys, that there not all devices have the same way or process on how it's done because say for instance for iPhone XS, XR and later they have like quick toggles, but iPhone 14 models they already have like a different button or a different way for you to actually choose on changing your resolution. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. So I'm using iPhone XR. um if you want to change your resolution, guys, so you have to be on video setting. So if you check at the top most right side of the screen, you could actually see there HD or high definition or 4K. So you can just switch or tap on that one for you to change on what quality you would want to have. And then there's beside there you could actually see 30, 60, 24. So this is FPS. FPS and camera or photography means frames per second. So for those who are still new when it comes to photography, just think of it as the like when you see 30 FPS for example, that means that in 1 second there's like 30 individual frame images that were captured. The higher the FPS, the better quality because it's like, well, not quality per se, but it's like the more images that were captured when you're at 60 FPS. So there, I'm showing you, I'm teaching you now like basic photography, but that's pretty much it. Or you could also go to settings app and then go to camera. From there, there's like an option, say you check on record video. So there's other option that you can do here on how you would want to manage your resolutions. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.